how to block ads on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon or the menu option from the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, you will see the option for See More in Account Center. So, tap on the See More in Account Center option you see there, and now in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and under the Account Settings tab, you will see the option for Ad Preferences. Tap on that, and under the Advertisers you saw ads from option, you will see the See All option. Tap on that, and in this particular interface, you will be able to view all the ads that you have currently viewed. So simply go ahead and tap on the ad that you do not want to see any longer, and you will see the option for Hide Ads. Tap on that, and with this, you will not see any more ads from that particular advertiser. Make sure that this might take up to 24 hours. So this is how you can block ads on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.